Is your garage door ready for the next storm? Severe weather like hurricanes and tropical storms can cause extensive damage to homes, especially if your garage door isn't prepared. At Easy Garage Door Repair, we're here to help you storm-proof your garage door with these 7 essential tips. First, let's look at why storm-proofing your garage door is so important. Without the right protection, high winds, flying debris, and heavy rains can lead to structural damage, flooding, and serious safety risks. Our first tip: consider installing a wind-resistant garage door. These doors are designed to handle high winds and comply with local building regulations. With reinforced panels, heavy-duty tracks, and bracing systems, a wind-resistant door is your best defense against severe weather. If replacing your door isn't an option, a reinforcement kit can still make a big difference. With horizontal and vertical braces and heavy-duty anchoring hardware, these kits provide added support to withstand high winds and impacts. Next, if your garage door has windows, consider upgrading to impact-resistant glass. Impact-resistant windows help keep out flying debris, enhancing security and even improving energy efficiency in your garage. Sealing gaps and cracks is another simple but effective measure. By applying weather stripping and caulk around the door, you can prevent water intrusion and reduce the risk of flooding during heavy rains. For areas prone to flooding, flood barriers provide an added layer of protection. From removable shields to permanent barriers, these options help keep water out and protect your garage interior. Upgrading your garage door opener can also make a difference. Look for one with a strong motor and a battery backup. A robust opener can help ensure your door stays shut, even during a power outage, while adding security against break-ins. And don't forget regular maintenance. By lubricating moving parts, tightening hardware, and inspecting for wear, you can keep your door in top shape to handle severe weather. Your garage door can be a lifesaver during a storm if it's ready. From installing wind-resistant doors to adding reinforcement and performing regular maintenance, you can protect your investment and ensure your family's safety. At Easy Garage Door Repair, we're here to help Texas homeowners prepare for severe weather. Call us today for advice, skilled workmanship, and quality maintenance, because one call is all it takes to protect your garage door from the next storm.